Assalamu alaikum. Sudarshan TV channel claims that Dr. Zakir Naik has insulted their God, and they further say that Dr. Zakir Naik is creating hatred among the communities. This thing they are propagating through the panel discussion on the TV channel. Further, they are going ahead and going to launch a complaint against Dr. Zakir Naik, that to a criminal case. Now, let's discuss with Brother Umar Sharif, who is the president of Discover Islam Education Trust, Bangalore, on this issue. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Yes, brother.
People are commenting against Dr. Zakir Naik, that too on Sudarshan TV, saying that he is commenting against Hindu's Lord. What do you say on this, brother?
Well, actually, I was trying to understand what this whole thing is all about, and I just came to know that it seems that Dr. Zakir Naik, in one of his talks, he said that if somebody comes with the prasadam or some holy food according to them, which has been offered to the idols, say for example their Lord Ganesh, and if somebody says you have this prasadam, so Dr. Zakir Naik says that why should we have this? Is Ganesh God? So if somebody is able to prove that Ganesh is actually God, then he can have the prasadam. It is like saying that how to deal with the people. Say for example, how to deal with a person who comes and says, you have this pork. If a Christian says, please have this pork, we would say, why should I have the pork? And we also have to give them the argument that pork is not good for our health, and very important, pork is forbidden in Islam. So we will not be able to say that we would eat it. So we would, on the contrary, we would ask them, we don't have to eat it, but why are you eating it? Well, in fact, even the Bible itself says don't have pork. So similarly, in the same grounds, Dr. Zakir Naik is trying to reason with them, saying that why should we have the prasadam? First of all, you prove that the Lord Ganesh whom you are worshipping, that he is true God. First of all, you prove that he is a true God, then we will talk about whether to have the prasadam or not. So on that context, he has made such statements. In no way has he, gone to the level of humiliating or to call any bad names to their Lord or anything of that kind. He did not do any of these things. He is trying to have a dialogue. And he also talked, this talk is like very old, say about 10 years ago. And now that these people, these Sudarshan channel people, they just, they have their own vested interest. After 10 years, they are getting the feeling that, something is going wrong. Why? Because Dr. Zakir Naik is reaching up to the masses. A lot of people are embracing Islam. They're coming to know what the scriptures are saying, both in the Quran and both in the Hindu scriptures. And now that they want to do something to harm this work. So therefore, they are trying to go on a defamation activity. That's how it is.